So it's a snowstorm right now. Oh man. So it's like the worst winter storm or whatever right now. It's not too bad right here. Like a little bit closer to my house, it's a little worse. Like it's supposed to be 70-mile-an-hour winds or something like that. So you know what we about to get into. You know, we boys gonna be boys, you feel me? So we gonna go in the parking lot real quick and we gonna get busy. This was me right here. Ooh, she's choppy now. What is it? Oh, yes, sir. Oh, shit. Ooh. Okay, grind it. Ew. Should I bust out a 360? If y'all want to see me do that in this thing, comment down below. If you want to see me do it, I'll do it. If I get, let's say, 20 comments, because you know I'm not that poppy. If I get 20 comments, I'll do it in this thing, in the snow. We'll bring out this thing. Oh, sir, we getting sideways on the street. They're probably like, what the fuck? It's so bad for you. So, sideways. Is he valid? Is he valid? Yo, comment down below, my boy valid. Yeah, we in Mexico.
We in Mexico.
I don't know what y'all was thinking, but we in Mexico, you feel me?
We definitely in the trenches with Pablo.
Yeah, yo.
Sure.
Another one right here.
Oh shit.
They like, what the fuck? Yeah. What the
Yo, I thought that was a dog.
What the fuck?
Yeah, we got a whole gang fight.
Hell no.
Shady as hell.
I know it's a pothole somewhere down here, so careful.
Oh shit, we hit it. Was it bad?
It sounded bad, but like Kurt.
No.
You good?
Yo, what?
Praise
What?
the Lord. All you did was fuck up the rim right here,
I
but
gotta
you
get a new
straight.
I just gotta get a new room.
Oh
Yo.
no.
Alright, we going home.
We going home, bro.
I'm done, bro. Fuck. At least it's just the rim.
Okay, so update. We got stuck on the 33. My sister got stuck, like she couldn't drive, and we obviously didn't know how bad it was. Got in the car, made it to the 33, like 2 seconds out of the exit. We had the momentum going and then we got stuck. So that's what it's looking at right now. It's a bunch of snow. It's a bunch of snow under the car. That's why we're stuck. Like we got the tires out. Me and my brother were taking shifts. We're using a brush to brush like your car. We're using that as a shovel because we didn't bring a shovel. So I'll keep you updated. Right now it's been, let's see, it's been about like 15 minutes since we're stuck, and we're trying to get out of here quick because the snow just keeps coming down. Yeah, so this is what it looked like before we kind of just gave up. We were stuck. We were just gonna sit there and wait it out. So this next video right here, this is the fire department. So they ended up rescuing us shortly after I took that video, and we ended up getting stuck with the fire department and only got unstuck in the morning with that payload, if you can see it right there in the distance. Then we made it to the firehouse. This is the little video I took right here. This is what it was looking like. I would say like 6 o'clock. There's a semi stuck right there, a jackknife, but I was able to straighten it out. This is on our way to high school because the firehouse was running out of supplies. We were there for about a day and a half, and they ran out of supplies, so they had to take us to this nearest high school where other fire departments brought the people that they rescued. So this is what the streets were looking like a day after, like a day and a half after these cars. It was crazy. The snow was terrible. I want to say it was mostly the snow, but it was definitely the wind. The wind is what made it worse. So this is the high school we ended up in. They gave us tots we were sleeping on. We got there around 2 in the morning. Took a quick video. There was a lot more people in the gym, but this is what I took where I was sleeping at right there with my brother. This is the snow, and nobody plowed here. This is literally how I have snow. So if we go home and nothing's clean, I can't get in. Because it might look like this. But hopefully it's not that bad when we get home. So we've been locked in since Friday. It's now Sunday, Christmas, and we decided to walk.
Yo, you want to give us a ride?
Yeah. Alright, so we just got a random ride from this Prius owner. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, that's how the streets looking. Terrible. But we walking. So this is what it was looking like when I finally got home after the 3 days. And here goes my dad's car. We went to go look at, try to get out, but that's where me and my brother were stuck at. So I'm back at school now, but that storm was definitely the craziest experience that I ever had. We went from just having fun drifting to being stuck and potentially like dying. A lot of people lost their lives in that storm, which is a tragedy, but this was my experience and I want to share with you guys. So of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I actually plan on posting more like vlogs type stuff or whatever. So yeah.